to be heading down to Smith Island to a different retail yard than what I've been going to. And I wanted to show you guys how I'm getting in the gate. I have to turn completely around in the road. I get off the exit and I hairpin around to come in the gate. And I thought I'd show that to you guys. And you can definitely go down and turn around in the turnaround, but it takes way longer and there's always traffic down there. And of course I do that if there's like another truck behind me coming off the exit, or if there's equipment around, or the city had a couple pickups parked right there. And the other day when I did this and I wasn't able to do the hairpin, it's only feasible in certain situations. But I thought you guys want to check that out, so let's go do that. that's how I've been doing it. I definitely have had to go down and turn around about half the time, which it's fine. It's definitely easier just to swing that corner wide and get in there and get dumped out. But the other thing I wanted to mention, because people ask about it all the time, is how I find work. And how I find work is how, at first, I called literally everyone I knew. I've been in the industry locally for about 15 years, and so I have a lot of people's phone numbers, and so I called everybody. Some people I called were people I hadn't talked to or even seen in 10 years. And the person that I've been working for now is someone that I've been Facebook friends with for a while, because in the dump truck community, it's kind of just like any other Facebook community. Like, oh, I have 10 friends in common with this person, so they sent me a friend request. It's, it is what it is. And so I've been mainly working for him, and I've known of him for, at least 10 years, if not more. But the second day of work, the day that my clutch went out, that work I actually found through Todd, who is another dump truck driver who watches my YouTube channel. He was able to find me that work, which was amazing, because I had said that, I was like looking for work, but I hadn't found any. And he was able to talk to the dispatcher at our transport and get me in there, and that was a huge help. That got me rolling, and I did blow out my clutch, but it would have happened regardless. But I'm not aware of any load boards or anything that's locally used. I understand that when you haul freight, I guess that people use load boards. I don't really know how they work. I guess it's a mediary where people that have loads put them on the load board, and then people that have trucks take the loads or bid on the loads or something like that. I don't know. I have never looked at any of that. It's not something that I've ever heard is used around here. It could be. Maybe you guys can tell me. Maybe it's used in other places. I've never even Googled it, to be honest with you. But with that all said, you guys, I think that that's it for today. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. And if you're so inclined, swing by my store. It's beyonddirtusa.com. We have hats, shirts, sweatshirts, stickers, all ready to ship. And I will see you guys next time.